welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we're going to
see a frozen waterfall
in Estonia, and you wonder why we're dressed like this.
because it's minus 16.
No, it's 18 or 17, I don't know, but it's really cold. And now we're gonna give you a tour how it's outside. It's just freezing cold. Let's go. So my friends, we're in the car because we were going to the frozen waterfall, and this is the window with minus 18. It's frozen. My friends, look at this. This is so cold and this is so slippery. And this is how it looks like. It's minus 18. Do you hear the sound? Because it's that way. There's also a cave, so let's see. The scraping process. Let's go right there. Look, this is so beautiful. I'm right now filming and my hand is just like freezing right now. It's cold but sunny. Hear how it scrapes? Oh my god, it's cold. Look at the snow. It's like sand. Look. You cannot do anything.
It's like little, not freezing. It's like little.
My hands are just freezing. So cool. Do you have minus 19?
Yeah, you have already.
Look, my eyelashes are white.
Yeah.
My friends, this is the waterfall. It's not partially frozen, but you see it's frozen. It's like caramel. There it is. Now we're gonna see a better look right there. My friends, I'm gonna say it fast because it's icing cold. Look at this tree. Ah. Oh my god, it's like perfect. Ah. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's really cold. It's amazingly cold. My friends, we're back home. Like this. We're back home. It was really cold because my feet just got frozen and I had to warm them. They're yours?
Yeah.
But it was nice. We went for fast to see it because it was really cold. It was minus 19. I think at the waterfall it was like colder than here. But we did it. Bye. So we hope you like this video. Bye.